International relations here at Modul University is perfectly placed. Why? Because Vienna is one of the most international cities in the world. We have some of the highest concentration of international organizations in the world. We have a deliberate and conscious strategy of matching our students wherever we can, and also to meet policymakers. So one of our signature lectures that we're doing this year called the Kahlenberg Lectures, we invite very senior policymakers over where students can talk and interact to get the real world exposure to international relations. The wonderful thing that we've got here at Modul is obviously our brand new Oxford Study Abroad program. Students coming here to do international relations can participate in the Oxford Study Abroad, where they have that true Harry Potter style Oxford University experience. This program allows our students in international relations to spend one semester or one full year at one of the world's oldest universities, where they'll spend their dissertation period in their third year experiencing not just the tutorial system of one-on-one, but the entire Oxford University experience itself, and then have a lifelong affiliation with Oxford University. Students studying here get to experience a young and very vibrant city. The students going to Oxford then get to experience an institution steeped in tradition and history. I think it's a fantastic, not just a career enabler, but a life enabler. Hopefully your students that go there will make friendships and have experiences that will set them up for life.